So the first program we have is our back soft jaw. As you can see here, we've already set the soft jaw to match what we just did in the assembly. We're going to open up the SOLIDWORKS NC Editor, and we're going to go ahead and open up the part that we posted out, which is our soft jaw's back. We'll just do a quick back plot to make sure that everything's the way we want. As you can see, there's our work offset coordinate. We have our G54 in the list. So now we're going to go ahead and we'll send this to our machine through RS-232 port. So if we go over to the controller, we'll now go ahead and be in our edit mode, and then we'll just do memory data in, and it'll start receiving that program through RS-232. When it's done, it'll pop up, the program will show here, and over in the NC Editor, it'll let us know that it's completed. And now we have the program ready to run that matches everything that we did virtually in the real world.